Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video we're going to be doing a throwback to way over a year ago, April 2020, when I installed smoked repeating indicators onto my Mini. Now I filmed this as part of an update video, which you can watch up here, where I also updated you on a few more little mods, and I was getting my clutch fixed at the time, so you feel free to go and watch that. But this footage is from that video. Now the reason I'm uploading this video is because that update video was 14-15 minutes long. The indicators were a 5-minute portion in the middle, and I feel like it got overlooked. Now I see a lot of people on different Facebook groups and different forums asking for the answer to the question how they install these bulbs. As you'll see in the video, the connector isn't your standard looking connector for a bulb. So the information in the video is really useful for people looking to modify their cars. So I thought I'd re-upload the footage just so there's an instructional video, easy to follow video out there for people to do this, and then I can also use it as a reference point for people when they ask the question. I can send the video to them. So without further ado, we're going to cut to April 2020 at the start of the first UK lockdown, where I'm modifying a car that doesn't even drive because the clutch was gone and they were waiting to book it all in. I hope you enjoy. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments if you found the video useful. So first things first, I'm going to show you to take the indicators off. So as you can see, mine are sort of coming away already, which isn't great. But I think I might be able to just, I can pretty much pull this off with my fingers. Okay, and then there's a little clip. Yeah, so there's a little clip there, and then that pulls out. It is a two-hand job. So let's get the new indicator. So essentially, I accidentally pulled a bit too much of it out, but it's not a problem. So this is the assembly here. What you want to do is, this bit is where the wire was plugged into. So you just turn it and it will pop out like that. Now I best show you the new indicators, and I'll leave a link in the description where I got these from. But that's the front, and then that is the back. So that's the connector. Now I saw this a while ago on eBay, but because of the connector I was a bit sort of dubious, and then I saw somebody on Facebook mention how you actually do it, and then I was like, oh, that's not too bad. So this is the connector. Pull the orange bulb out, just literally slots out, and then this slots back in. Okay, so it is literally as simple as just putting like a fresh bulb in. It just slots in. It's a little bit finicky to put it in because it's a tiny bit thicker than that is, but it's in. So let's go and whack it onto the car. One thing I actually forgot to do was to push this back in. So it's literally the opposite of taking it off. Just find where it goes and turn it clockwise, just like that. Just put it back in the car. So first of all, just whack the cable back in. You get a little click off it. Let's go and test it. That is awesome. Nice. Let's go and do the other side. So there we have it. That's the smoked repeater indicators installed. Very simple mod, and I do like what it looks like. These will go black soon. Just got to get the time to paint them or find some decent ones online. But yeah, really happy with them. They were about 20 quid, so proper happy. So there you have it. That's how to install the smoked side repeater indicators to your Mini R53, R50, R52. But this process is the same for most cars. As long as you can find the housing with the bulb inside, if it's got that spade connector, you can pop it into the bulb socket like I did in the video, and it should work for you. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Check out my website if you haven't done already, www.grindinggears.uk. I've got some mugs and stickers for sale over there. I've got some very, very exciting news coming soon for the channel. I don't want to say too much because it's going to ruin stuff, but really, really exciting, and I just can't wait to show you. We've got a bit of a build series coming up, but not what you might expect. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.